Now, some residents of Bapong Village near Gelukspan in the northwest have been moved to a multi-purpose center as their houses are waterlogged as a result of heavy downpours. Now, persistent wet weather conditions continue to cause significant damage to properties as well as roads. Refiloe Seboko reports.
The Northwest Province is experiencing persistent wet weather conditions causing significant damage to properties. Residents in Bapong Village near Gelukspan are trying to save some of their belongings as their houses are waterlogged as a result of heavy downpours.
We wake up at around 12 o'clock, early hours there. We got a call from that granny. He just wake up, phoned my younger sister. Told that, hey, wake up, there's water around the house. So when we wake up, we realized that it is bad because it was already inside the house. So we just tried to remove it, but we failed because the water was so heavy. Yeah, we just leave it like that and try to move other things, the plugs and everything, to put it on the top and remove the plugs on the fridge and the TVs.
Seemo se re leng mo go sone bagaetsho ke se sa itumediseng re tshogile le rona re itse gore re dire re simolole ka ra thiba ka selese ga go direge sepe metsi a ntse a re kgamile ga gona se re se dirang.
More mud houses are also collapsing and some residents are anxious.
Ene le around bo ma 5 go iragala gore ke le mo ka moreng ke la ba go tlhapa ke bankanya dilo tse di tlhapang go iragala ganya gore go ne go le bashimane ba bagago outside ba re go ba re go motlu le botang ka re ne le sekame ba re go motlu le botalao so motho a ntla go tswa ne le lesego e be nna ba babedi ba ne re tutse le bona banda around mo motseng nna ke be ke tswa bohela ke tswa bohelo le botaka le go le hapile
nna ne nka go thusa gore at least ka gore re nna re le mokabanyana at least ana ba ka gagela something ya le mokuku gore at least re ka nna mo teng.
Affected residents, including those who were trapped, have been moved to the multipurpose center temporarily.
So baagi ba ba pomba mo mathateng tota ba tlhoka thuso disaster ile tse itlile maabane rescue team ile tse itlile maabane director ya public safety ile tse itlile maabane gona le batho ba ba letseng ba fudusitswe maabane ba isitswe ko multipurpose center ba ba kreileng dikobo ba ba filweng dikobo ba ba filweng di sponge ba filwe le dijo. So thuso yone teng le ga etla e iketlile.
Gift of the Givers says it is in the process of activating all 8 teams.
The second team will be activated tomorrow morning, and then we're going to go with the hot meals because we can't do hampers today because they can't cook. So we'll go for hot meals for today.
Meanwhile, the Northwest Education Department is advising parents to ensure that children refrain from traveling near rivers and dams as they pose a significant risk. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Refiloe Seboko in Bapong Village near Gelukspan in the Northwest.